want the finest wines available to humanity. We want them here, and we want them now.
I like you.
Oh, do you like me more than you don't like me, or don't you like me more than you do?
Listen, we're going to find you. We're not from London.
You remember how dumb I used to be?
Yeah.
Well, I'm better now.
You are better now.
Benny was a mind over man and man. Shop Benny had a can-do attitude. Shop Benny wants to help you, help you. Shop Benny wants to think he's see-through. Benny got shot, Benny got shot, Benny. Shop Benny was a poor man's rich guy. Shop Benny was an uptown small fry. Shop Benny was an ego nightmare. Shop Benny won't be going anywhere. Benny got shot, Benny got shot, Benny. Benny got shot, Benny got shot, Benny. Down, down, brown cow. Like shot, Benny. Upside down, frown. Like shot, Benny. Lay down on the ground. Like shot, Benny. No messing around. I shot, Benny. And I do it again.
Hey up, hello and welcome. I'm Tony Farnborough. This is Steve Nicholson.
It is.
And this is the Reet Radio Show.
I'm going to say that to my boss.
What?
Rise.
Rise.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah. Yeah, you could. I've made you a mixtape, mate. I've made you a mixtape, and every one of them has connotations to you pay.
Give
increase.
me more money.
Yeah. Annual leave that you deserve, that you know more of.
A medal.
Yeah. So anyway, welcome. We're keeping it local here on the Reet Radio Show. The first two there, you had Coroner for the Police was first up, and that was Shot Benny. They're a Manchester-based band.
Great band.
Very good band.
Crap name.
Very crap.
It's a shocking name, that, lads. Come on.
Yeah.
Admit it.
Coroner for the police.
Coroner for the police.
You could be an assistant for the dentist.
You could be. I'm a decorator for the council. What a great name for a band.
What about holes for the fire brigade?
Yeah, exactly.
Or a brush for the toilet.
Yeah.
Or deputy manager, warehouse manager. You said that, haven't you?
I said that one.
Yeah.
Solicitor for the...
Just the deputy, though.
Solicitor for the defendant. It's Bobbin's name. Think of a better name than that.
Yeah, right.
Or else we won't play it again.
But what would you consider a good name for the band? I.e., the band that we played after it.
Adventures
of Salvador. That's a good name for the band.
Yeah, it's a great name.
Now, that refers to Salvador Dali, doesn't it?
It does. And his adventures.
And if you know, you can imagine being in his head for half an hour.
No.
You'd probably never get out.
I can't imagine that.
No. And he was a great guy. Do you know what he once did turn up for one of his own exhibitions? In the 60s, so. And he turned up with, in a taxi in New York at one of his own shows.
The crazy bastard.
No, hang on, I've not told you the rest, but he was in a taxi, and when they opened the doors, all his cabbages came out first, and he rolled out on all his cabbages.
You can't call people that nowadays.
Tony. What, cabbage?
No.
What about the band Cabbage?
It's offensive.
We're going to play them next now.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Because I believe they're playing Salford Music Festival.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
When's that?
Well, I'll tell you while I'm looking at this, but I know it's at Sacred Trinity Church, and it will be in next month, September. Around September the 20-something, and I think it's
great.
Friday night.
That's a great gig, guide.
I'll find you out.
Well, speaking of gigs, anyway.
Yeah.
Randall Swain and the Red Lights.
Oh, that's your band, isn't it?
They're playing in Bradford.
Yeah.
On Saturday night. So if you live in Bradford, just Google us. I can't remember where we're playing. We just keep doing loads of gigs. I'll tell you in a bit.
You're only the guitarist.
But on Monday, it's the Glaston/Bury.
Right.
In the centre of Bury. £7 for a wristband, and there's a band on in every venue in Bury. It's a cracking day. And there's 2 outside stages, and we're playing on that as well. We're on Malloy's at 1:30.
Right.
Yeah. So
okay. So and getting back to the music that we played first. Yes, we did two in a row. They're both local. Coroner for the Police, like I say, and Adventure of the Salvador, and their song was called Children of the Worm. You can get that. You can buy it, and
you can on that record there.
Yeah.
It is called Chocolates and Drugs by the Adventures of Salvador, and it's on Thrill Baby Records.
Thrill Baby.
Get it down the usual channels.
Okay. So I've just said that we're going to play some Cabbage.
We are.
Shall we play Kevin?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. That's a good name, that, isn't
It's
it?
great.
Cabbage.
Cabbage and Kevin. Doesn't make sense.
Cells are just imploded.
Cabbage.
It is.
And the song is called Kevin. And so Cabbage will be playing Salford Music Festival, and this is a scoop, really. He's got good on it, and they will be playing on Friday the 30th at a great little venue, which isn't always a venue. So it's the biggest crowds they pull, unfortunately. It's at Sacred Trinity Church.
In the Chapel Street.
Yep, cracking church. And so you could do two things in one there. You could pay your respects, couldn't you? And enjoy yourself with some cabbage. But also on that lineup is a chap called Jess Kemp.
Jess Kemp?
Yep.
Is he from EastEnders?
No, it's not the one, I don't think.
I bet he's never heard that before.
The Sound of Thieves.
Sound of Thieves, are they from Yorkshire?
If you can hear Thieves, they're not very good, are they?
No, they're not.
Right, so hopefully the band will be a little bit better. Blaney's own band.
Blaney.
Ed
Blaney,
band,
yeah.
Blaney, they're playing. And also Cabbage, as you've just heard there. And that I will probably be there.
Well, I've got a date. I've got details for that gig of
Mine's
ours.
a pint of holy water.
Yeah. Hey. That gig of ours.
Yeah.
Grand Old Swain and Red Lights.
Yeah.
Playing in Bradford on Saturday night. It's the Ivergate Festival. Yes, some bloke who's got a gate in his dead chiff, but
Well,
he's
you be?
He's in Bradford, isn't he? So
Wouldn't
there's
you
not
be,
much else
Steve?
going on, is there?
Yeah, I would be very proud.
Apart from the Ivergate Music Festival, and it says on the poster here, it's Bradford's biggest indoor music festival of 2016, which is a hotly contested mantle, I would think. Isn't it?
20 talented bands and acts.
20 talented bands and acts and 6 shite ones.
But it is free entry.
It doesn't say free entry,
So,
yeah. It's a place called the Ivergate, Bradford.
Yeah, but it doesn't say at the end, like often posters do, and much, much more. But we do know a song about something
Much,
like
much
that.
more.
Yeah.
That means nothing, doesn't it? There's no else.
No. Half man, half biscuit.
You don't like it, do you?
This is Fun Day in the Park.